So congratulations, Muppu, for getting selection in Indigo Airlines as a ground staff. And guys, Muppu Sandeep got selected for Indigo Airlines ground staff. He got selected in security department in Indigo Airlines, and his selection number is 268. So finally, he got a offer letter, and he's going to join the training at 10th of January. Right, Sandeep? Right? Okay, perfect, Sandeep. So first of all, I want to really congratulate you for getting selection from our crash course. And second thing is that sharing your interview experience in our platform. So very much congratulations, Sandeep, for sharing your platform, sharing your interview experience in our platform. And second thing is that you finally got selected in Indigo Airlines, yes, and that's what your dream come true, right? You are having very good, very lot of queries, just like I am having specs. Can I be selected or not? And that was the reason you are not joining my courses, right? So I clarified it in very much well-mannered way, and finally you made it here, right? So I'm very much happy, Sandeep. So Sandeep, first of all, I want to congratulate you for getting selection. And,
thank you, sir. Thank you.
Perfect, Sandeep. So Sandeep, today we'll be discussing about what questions they basically asked at Hyderabad base, right? After a long time, a person from Hyderabad base got selected. So we'll be discussing the questions and answers. And we'll be also discussing how many rush was there and how you got selected. We'll be discussing each and everything, right? So without any further delay, let's start. So Sandeep, I just want to ask one thing, that from where you get to know about us, from you, where you get to know about Aviation Life, Sandeep, from where you get to know. Yeah, tell our viewers.
Sir, actually, during COVID pandemic time, I'm always watching YouTube, sir. That was only my hobby during pandemic days. On the time, I have searched for the airport job, sir, in YouTube channel.
Okay.
And I have suddenly watched one of your student experience videos, sir, from Hyderabad base. And he is also wearing specs, sir. then I opened that video and I have seen overall video, sir. And I have somewhat interest about airport jobs. And I have believed in you, sir, that many students got selecting day by day. That way I joined in your crash course, sir. That is the reason.
Okay, perfect. So Muppu, a lot of people, they say that in online education it's not possible to study. So what is your perspective? Is our courses is easy to access, or is it possible to get study or not? Is it easy to get trained or not in online education? What is your perspective regarding this? A lot of people, they say, they argue with us, it's not possible to study in online education. What is your perspective, Muppu? I want you to elaborate the things. Yeah.
The persons who will join in your crash course, they will definitely gain the knowledge, sir. And they will definitely crack the interview of cabin crew or ground staff, sir. Definitely. If they show interest in your classes, they will definitely crack any interview, sir.
Perfect, Muppu. So Muppu, how your parents are feeling after getting selection and how you are feeling? I just want you to tell the viewers that how a person feel after getting selection, right? Yeah, Muppu, tell our viewers. Yeah.
Sir, this is like dream came true, sir. I am feeling very happy, and my parents also feeling happy. And they always saying about me, when you are going to Bangalore for your dream job. That like they are waiting, sir.
Perfect, Muppu. So Muppu, yeah, we just want to know what questions they basically ask and what kind of questions they are asking nowadays, so that it will be helpful for our students also, right? They will be getting a very good bit idea that what questions they're basically going to ask and how a person can prepare. So guys, if you want to become like Muppu Sandeep, you can join our courses starting from 15th of Jan. And Muppu has also done the crash course. I guess he has done the crash course earlier when he was not graduated. He done the course when he was undergraduate, right? So he was that much enthusiastic. Even at that time also, he finally completed the course. He was preparing for that time only. But finally, the Indigo Airlines released a vacancy for graduation and he made it, I guess, in his first attempt only. Right? For Hyderabad base. And he live at Hyderabad. So it will be easy for him to go to airport and come back to airport and to do the job also. Yes, Sandeep. So Sandeep, yeah, tell me, when was your interview scheduled and what was the day? How many candidates were there? What questions they basically asked, and how many rounds did the interview was conducted? Yeah, Sandeep, tell our viewers. Yeah.
Sir, actually, I have attended walk-in interview on 9th of November, sir.
Okay.
At that time, around there are 200 people, sir. Freshers as well as experienced people, sir. It was conducted in Lemon Tree Hotel, Hyderabad. And the HR came and separated the freshers as well as experienced people, sir. They first conducted the interview of experienced people, sir. And after that, around 3 p.m., they were conducted the interview for freshers, sir.
Okay, perfect.
They came and say to the people who came to the interview, come to the room like that state, sir. for few people, 10 members like that. They are allowing
Sandeep, your
the rooms.
first round was a GD round or it was an introduction round? What did they
No,
basically ask in first round? Yeah.
sir, the HR asked, tell me about security, sir. What is security? Tell me about security, sir. And I am continuously saying about security, sir, for about 30 seconds. More than 30 seconds, sir. No one said in that, sir. I am only one who said like that, fatafat, fatafat, sir.
Okay,
The
so
HR shocked.
you were well trained, right? And other people they were not well trained. That's the reason they were
Yes,
not able to speak very well. And you are
yes, sir.
confident, you are well trained, so you spoken for 30 seconds. You know,
Yes,
Sandeep,
sir.
if he might have given chance to speak for 1 minute, you might have spoken for 1 minute also, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah, Sandeep. Yeah, tell me what kind of other questions they ask. Yeah, first of all, they ask you what is security, right? Yeah,
Yes.
second, yeah.
In that only, okay, enough. HR said that, okay, enough, and like that said, okay, when is your passed out year like that? She asked her, sir. Then I replied, after that, okay, next like that said. In that first round, in that one question only, she asked her, sir. After that, she filtered by seeing that, what we call as,
This resume or CV?
sir,
By CV, by seeing your performance or by seeing your resume, they filtered.
by seeing performance, sir.
Okay, by seeing your performance, they filtered you. And out of 10, how many people got selected, Sandeep?
Around 4, sir.
Okay, perfect, right? Four got selected and four people didn't got selected. Okay, Sandeep, this was the first round. Yeah, not tell me what was the second round and what was the questions they basically asked in the second round, Sandeep. Yeah, let us know. Yeah.
The second round is like a personal round, sir. The HR called me. Then I went to the room. Then the HR asked, tell me about yourself. Then I said, as like you said in the classes, sir.
Yeah, right.
And she asked,
You told each and every line to line, right? What we have taught you in the classes regarding the introduction.
as it is, sir.
Perfect. Yeah.
Then she asked, do you know how difficult it is to work as a security officer? Then I replied, sir. Then I replied about how difficult it is to work as a rotational shifts. Like that, I replied, sir. Then he is laughing like this. She is smiling, sir. Like this. Oh, okay, nice. Like that, she said, sir. And she
Well, I
asked me
think
about,
well, I think interviewer was not prepared that candidates are that much experienced, right? She might not be expecting this kind of answers from a fresher candidate who
yes,
even
sir,
don't know
yes.
AF of airlines, right? So he was, I guess she might not be expecting the answers from you, but you
Yes,
spoken
sir.
very well, right? Yeah, Sandeep. Yeah. What was response after that from lady? Yeah.
After that, she asked about passport, sir. And asked about why you scored less in graduation. I said, during pandemic days, many of the colleges conducted online classes, ma'am. That's why I'm not focused on online classes. Like that, I replied. Oh, okay, nice. Why you are living in near airport?
Okay,
She asked
okay,
me.
perfect, Sandeep, right? So from here we'll be stopping the conversation, right? So perfect, Sandeep. So Sandeep, you got selected at same single day, or did they told about your selection after 7 days or after 8 days? I mean, when was the result was announced, Sandeep? Yeah, tell me.
Sir, actually, I given the interview on 9th of November, and I have full confidence that I will get definitely selected. And I got the documentation mail on 23rd of November, sir.
Okay, perfect,
After
Sandeep.
that,
So Sandeep, when is the joining date, by the way?
January 10th, sir.
And you got the tickets also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect, Sandeep. Sandeep,
I
I just
have
want,
to
yeah, yeah.
9th of I have to fly to Bangalore, sir, on 9th of January.
Okay, perfect. Sandeep, I just want to ask one more question. Is that
Okay.
how was the crash course helpful for you to crack the interview? How was the crash course helpful for you to crack the interview? And I guess when you joined the course, the price was very much less, right? So
Yes,
Sandeep,
sir. Yes, sir.
you take advantage of it, right? Sandeep, tell me, how was the crash course helpful for you to crack the airlines interview, and what things you learned in the courses and that you utilize in the interview, Sandeep? Yeah.
Actually, in online, many frauds are going on, sir. That is the reason no one is believing your crash course. But the who will believe in your crash course, they will definitely crack the interview, sir. Any of the interview. And I have helped a lot. Your interview, your classes helped me a lot, sir. There is a reason. Everyone do join the crash course, and they will definitely crack the ground stuff as well as cabin crew interview in first attempt, for sure.
Perfect. So, right, so guys, if the content which you're giving in online classes is nowhere available, And even though if you got somewhere from, you will got not get enough knowledge, you will not got the full content which we are giving. And the guidance which I am giving to you is very much exceptional, and you're able to make it anyhow in first attempt only. So guys, if you want to become like Moppu Sandeep, and if you want to become ground staff in Hyderabad base or Indigo Airlines, and you want to crack any airlines or ground staff cabin crew interview, do enroll in our classes, which is going to start on 15th of Jan, and it is going to start at every 15 days. So people from Hyderabad, Tamil Nadu, Bangalore, do join the classes. We are conducting classes in English only because you guys will be able to understand. It will be easy for you all to crack the upcoming ground staff and cabin crew interview, right? Perfect, Sandeep. So, Sandeep, I just want to request you that please give some tips. A lot of people, they used to ask for tips. So I just want you to please give some tips to the students who are looking for tips. Yeah, Sandeep, please give some tips, but don't give that tips which I have secretly told you. Right? Do only give the tips which is helpful for the students, but don't give the tips which I have secretly told you. Yeah, Sandeep, go ahead.
Okay, first of all, follow the notes which will be given by the sir. That will help you a lot. And follow each and everything that will told in the classes. That is enough for everyone. And
Perfect, perfect, Sandeep.
smile, smile is the best thing.
Yeah, do smile, and you will be able to get advantage, and they will be definitely gonna select you if you smile in the interview, right?
Yes, yes.
So Sandeep, so guys, this was all about the Sandeep interview experience. He finally made it, and he was a crash course student, and he is going to join Indigo Airlines, and he didn't pay money to anyone, right? He just joined our classes. We coached him, and he make it in his first attempt only. He is just fresher, right? Sandeep, you are just pass out student, and you
Yes,
got
sir.
selected in Indigo Airlines. So Sandeep, once again, Sandeep, I want to thank you for sharing your interview
Yes,
experience in your platform after getting selection. A lot of people after getting selection they used to forget us, but you didn't forget us, Sandeep. Sandeep, in future, if you need any kind of help, do directly give me a call. I will resolve any
yes,
kind
yes.
of problem or any kind of queries if you're having, right? And do pass all the exams in first attempt only. Do pass all the screeners exam, AFSEC exam, and do make a very amazing career in airlines industry, Sandeep. Right?
Okay, sir.
Once again, Sandeep, I want to congratulate you. And guys, if you be
Thank
like
you.
him, welcome, Sandeep. And if you want to be like guys, Sandeep, do join the classes. And link is in the description. We have shared everything in the description. Right? Thank you, Sandeep. And do say uh, hi to people of your Hyderabad, and do also say namaste to your mother and father, right? And
Yes, yes.
do work hard in airlines industry. Do make an amazing career in airlines industry, right, Sandeep? Perfect, Sandeep. Anna. Thank you, Sandeep. Thanks a lot. Okay, Sandeep.